In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Google Analytics demo account. If you've ever wanted to practice reading reports or learn the interface without touching real data, this is the fastest and safest way to do it. The demo account is an official Google resource filled with realistic sample data, so you can explore how metrics and dimensions work and build confidence before you apply those skills to your own property. First, open your Google Analytics account in your web browser and sign in with your Google credentials if you're not already logged in. Give the interface a moment to load so everything is fully available. You can use any modern browser, and it's a good idea to maximize your window so the navigation and help panel are easy to see. Once you're in Google Analytics, look to the top right corner of the screen for the help icon. It usually appears as a small question mark inside a circle. Click that help icon to open the side panel. This panel is designed to connect you with documentation, guided tasks, and support-related links that can take you straight to relevant resources. In the Help panel, click Get More Help. This expands your options and routes you to additional support content beyond basic tooltips. It's a reliable shortcut to official articles and learning paths curated by Google, which makes it perfect for what we're doing next. From there, select Understand User Metrics. This topic focuses on how analytics measures users and engagement, and it contains a direct link to the Google Analytics demo account. Click it, and it will take you straight into the demo environment. In many cases, it opens immediately and is ready to use. If it appears in a new tab, just switch over. You'll arrive in a fully populated analytics property with real-world style data you can browse safely. Because this is a demo, it's read-only, so you won't break anything or alter any reports. Take a moment to notice the standard navigation on the left, the date range selector at the top, and the overview cards that summarize performance. This is the perfect place to observe how traffic trends look over time, how user and session counts differ, and how engagement metrics are presented. That's all there is to it. Open your Google Analytics account, click the help icon, choose Get More Help, then select Understand User Metrics, and you'll be transported directly to the demo account, ready to explore and learn. Pause the video if you want to follow along step by step, and when you're done, feel free to return to your own properties knowing exactly what to expect.